I'll be showing you a simple way to unlock your phone's screen lock or password without losing any data. The best part? It's free and easy, even if you're not a tech expert. Before we begin, I'd like to mention a small disclaimer. The method I'm about to show you is 100% legal, safe, and free. We won't use any type of hacking or illegal bypassing method to unlock your phone's screen lock. Moreover, the phone will not suffer any harm or damage in any way. With that said, let's start. You can unlock your phone's screen lock or password using a special code. Here's how it works. First, tap on Emergency Call, then enter the code. This code is unique to each type of phone and is provided by the phone manufacturer. In this video, we're using a code that works specifically for the type of phone we're demonstrating. Now, let me show you how you can get the code. Visit this website that offers free unlock codes using a unique method. And that's it. Now you can unlock your phone without losing any data. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.